Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this lead code problem. So this is the fifth problem in this SQL 50. So let's see. So they given two columns actually. One is tweet ID and another one is content, and this is a table content. Okay, table data. From this data, they want this information. How to get this information? What is the condition they given? So write a solution to find the IDs of the invalid tweets. Okay, then the tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content is strictly greater than 50. So that means there are tweets IDs are there and content is there. So if the content is like greater than 15 characters, character means one letter is known as one character. So the space is also considered as one character. So in this example you can see there is a 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The entire uh, so solution that tweet is invalid the number of is invalid. Okay. So find the invalid. Okay, fine. So ultimately, what they want is tweet one has 14. That is a valid tweet. It has a tweet two has a length is 32. Then it is an invalid tweet. So ultimately, they want to get the tweet IDs which are invalid tweets. So let's see what we want. Select what we want. Tweet ID we want. Tweet underscore ID from which table you want. From table name is tweets where length is a function. Okay, so length of what is this another content, length of content is greater than 15. So run this. Yeah, that's it guys, that's how we can do this in normal simple step. So but the point is you have to remember one function which is known as length is a function available. So it will give you the whatever content, whatever the where you pass, it will give you that length, that value. Okay, so in this way you can solve this thing. So rest of the things are same. Okay, yeah, let me submit this. So yeah, that's it guys, and that's it. This is all the next problems in the next tutorials. Till then, take care. Bye bye.